great thing with this system in this 2019 VW Amarok, if you plug your charging lead in, underneath there, forward of the gear stick, there's a USB socket underneath there. I won't show you how to do that because it's underneath here and my hand's too big to get in the opening, so I have to mess about. But let's see, if we just do this, click on that like so, just watch. Apple CarPlay, new device detected. Would you like to connect with Apple CarPlay? Well, yes, I would, so we'll click connect. Just CarPlay's come up, it's connected. Sometimes you have to agree for the system to use your phone when it's on the lock screen, but here we go. So we'll just click there, click on Apple CarPlay. Allow CarPlay with Volkswagen while phone is locked. That's the screen I was looking for. So because it timed out while I was showing you, it didn't let me do it at first, but it has done now. So now I can put my phone down. I don't have to touch my phone again. That's on audiobooks at the moment. However, this is the screen here, the main screen, that has duplicated the home screen of my phone. You see there, phone, messages, audiobooks, maps, Spotify, Audible, WhatsApp. But that's your home screen. It's telling you what's going to be playing. I can just click that to play like so, and there you go. That will play the music. That's telling me how long it is to get home, and that's the map. But we'll go back to the display. Now then, you need your voice activation switch, which is on the steering wheel. You've got to have 20/20 vision to see the little symbols on here, but that's it there. So if I keep my thumb or finger on this button for over 2 seconds, you'll see the Siri baseball come up here. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
There you go. That's ringing. It's ringing my phone. You can see there.
Repeat it, press 2. Listen to it, press.
It called me. So you don't have to do anything. We need to go back to Apple CarPlay. You'll see here app, click app, and then available devices, iPhone, Apple CarPlay. Please note that data is transferred over connections between your vehicle and mobile phone. Okay. Connection will be established. So that's it. Come back. It just cut off because I knocked it off there. So again, you're driving along. You want to send a message. The button here for a couple of seconds. Send message to Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Amarok.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Amarok. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
That's the message sent. Now, you'll see that there's a 1 on the messages here. And if you're like me, and somebody sends you a text and the phone's either in your pocket, you've heard it beep, you're dying to know who it is or what it is. If I click on there, you'll see Barry there. So once I click on it...
Barry said just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Amarok. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Barry?
It's a great system. I've seen it in other cars.
It says, it's a great system. I've seen it in all the cars. Do you want to change it or send it?
Send, please.
Done.
Now, again, by clicking the messages, you can get it to read it, or you can click the voice activation button for a couple of seconds. Read texts.
Barry sent a new message. It's a great system. I've seen it in all the cars. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
So you can call using the voice activation. You can send texts. If somebody sends you a text, you can get the system to read it, all without taking your hands off the steering wheel. But it's even better. You've got the navigation system, maps. You don't have to touch it. It's also getting better as well. When it first came out, it couldn't recognise my accent, and no matter how many times I said somewhere, it would try and take me somewhere else. Now it seems to be a lot better. So again, the voice activation button for a couple of seconds. Take me to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
Now the go button has come up. You can click the go button. If you just leave it and you don't do anything, countermand it, it will just automatically go and direct you there. There you go. Start on Blackburn Road. We're off the road at the moment, but as soon as you get on there, it would start. Now also, take me to McDonald's, Capital Way, Preston.
One option I found is McDonald's. Would you like that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
Now you can add that as a stop on the way to Manchester, which we just set. So I'll just click that, add it as a stop. So I can go to McDonald's first, and then it'll take me to Manchester. Brilliant system.